Okay, yo, guys. I hope guys you still remember this part. Yeah. Wait. Let me show you. Okay. Do you still remember this when I told you that there's no use? Actually, this number is the secret code to the room upstairs. Yes, guys. This is so cool. Okay, what is it? 9831. 9831. Hold on. 9831. 9831, 9831, 9831, 9831. Okay, 9831. This game is very interesting, guys. Okay, where? Okay, here. Okay, yes, guys. Let's open this first. Oh, nice. Okay, who's crying? What the? Who's crying? Let's see. Hello, Bill. I know you are, who you are, and why you're here. I will help you kill the Pennywise if you release my soul from this bottle. I have been locked up here for a long time. Bring me a spider, a rat, and finally light my soul. Holy fuck. Ah! Ah! Ice! Ice everywhere! Hands everywhere! What the fuck is this? This is so... Oh my gosh, it is so ew, so disgusting and so cringy. Okay, let's do this. I need to find the rat. Rat? Okay. Okay, please help me. I need to find my girl. Let's go. 9831, 9831. Okay. 9831. Enter. Yeah! Oh. Shit, it closes on itself. Okay. What do we have here? Lamp painting. Let's use this. Oh, I need passcode to open the safe. Holy cow, there must be a lot of money. Money. Holy shit! That's my girl! No! No, are you still alive? Girl! Girl! No! Please say something. Please move. Okay, I hope she's still alive. I know her. She's strong. Okay, what do we have in here? Oh, nice. Scissors, pliers, those. Okay. Oh no, what is she doing? Did they hurt you? Let's go. Shit. What the fish? Huh? It's not the same place again. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Don't go in that. Okay, let's do. Oh, something bad is gonna happen. Ah! Holy moly. What the hell are these? Let's use this. What are these people? Are they still alive? Oh my gosh, they just go directly into the floor. They're so weird. Okay, okay. Cut you. Cut you too. Cut you too. Cut okay. Okay, guys. Wait, these numbers here. A friend of mine told me that the numbers here are the secret. Is a secret code to the next room. Okay, 7, 7, 2, 2, 7722. Okay, thank you, friend. Thank you. What the hell is this? Oh my gosh. No. Ah! Why it opened on itself? What does it say? Run now? Fish! What the hell is this? Hey, what's on your head? What's on your head? Syringes? Wow, so weird. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. 7722. No? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Help. I'm coming for you, baby. Okay. 7722. Enter. Wow, so good. Ah! Back to where it all started. Okay. This is so cool. Okay, okay. Hold on, hold on. Okay. It's broken, so let's use this. What? My girl! My girl! What did you do to you? Hey! Hey, girl! I'm here. Look at me. Oh my gosh, she's going crazy. Oh my gosh, look at her. They're broken. Okay, I'm gonna kill Pennywise. I'm gonna kill him for doing this to you. Let's cut this chain off. Will this work? Like this one, I guess. Nope. This one, yeah. Yeah. Shit, my girl. Thank you, Bill. I think I will die here. How did you find me? It's a long story. I will tell you if we survive here. Please leave here. I have some things to do. I think I can kill the damn clown. Really, sir? I want to help you. I really don't want to save you again. I've almost died several times already. Okay, be careful. I will wait for you in the dam. Oh my gosh, finally I saved my girl. I'm so happy. I'm a hero. Yes, I've got this meat, so what to do? Okay, I know what to do. Okay, okay. Okay, I need to find it out. Oh, which means I'll have to use this as bait. Use this meat as bait to get the rat. Yeah, yeah, that's a bowl in the kitchen and a rat. I remember. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. So let's go do this. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, okay. Right here, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Okay, rat, go, rat, go. Why is he not going? Wait, wait, wait. I haven't used this one. Okay. Oh! What a big fat rat that is. Disgusting. Oh, it died, it died. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go this way. Guess it's near. Okay. Come on, I can do this. I'm the best. Woohoo. Ah! He saw me, he saw me. No, 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 no. Hide, 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 hide. No, no. No, no, no. Ah! Stupid fish. Mm, I hate this. Okay, I still have like four more rounds. Yeah, four more lives. Let's do this, boy. Oh, let's go. Let's try this here. Shit, he's back. Did he see me? She's coming directly at me. Shit. Run, run, run. Hmm. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay. I haven't got the key to this room. I think after this. Okay, okay, let's go here. Close the door. Hear you. Okay. What else do you need? Oh, spider, spider. Yeah, I have a spider. This one. Finally! In the end, everything is about to end. Yeah, I hope the clown will keep his promise. I miss my family. What the hell? This is so weird. Oh my gosh. Why is my girl and the policeman watching me? Me too. My daughter is waiting for me at the home. At home, I will buy her a beautiful doll when I come back home. No need to waste that. You can take this doll as well. Are you kidding me? Weird. Okay. Okay. They're still watching me. Those guys. Oh! Oh! Finally. Okay, okay. I think this is the key to the room with blood. Just right here. Yeah. Oh! Yeah! Okay, okay. Saw. Hammer. Missing lever. Okay. Finally, I got the hammer. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, this is gonna work. This is gonna work for real. Okay, let's close it, close it, close it. Yes, let's. Okay. Burn candles, burn candles. Light candles. Okay, break this. Okay, great. Okay, what do we have here? What is this room? Okay. Yeah, the lever. Lever, not lever, lever. Okay, 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 let's go, let's go. Okay, okay. I can hear his footsteps. I think he's gone. Oh, fuck. No, 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 no. No. Shit, that was so close, guys. Crazy. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Hurry, hurry. I need to leave this house. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great, 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 great. Close it, close it. Never. Finally, yes. Holy, who the hell is this? Hey. I need to find this one. This is my dad. Oh no. Thank you for saving me. Get out of here now. All is a lie. What? Who are you? I was the one who designed this house for them when I discovered the truth and wanted to tell the police. They arrested and locked me here. There's a gun inside the safe on the second floor. There's just the code to open the safe. Finally! I think this is the end. This is gonna be the end. Let's finish this. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you, Granddad. Okay, okay. Shit is coming. Shit, 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 shit. Okay, let's hide in here. Yeah. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, I think he's gone. Okay. Shh, 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 he saw me again. Fuck. Come on! Faster, you look like a lady, like an old lady guy. Stupid bitch. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a long way. I have to go through that, right? Oh my gosh, it is so tiring. Let me skip this. Okay, okay, finally. Let's open this. Yay! Who's this? Oh my gosh. Is that the guy from BDS? Holy moly. Why is he in This game. This is so weird. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Any BTS fan? Is he from BTS? I don't know. Please comment down below if he is. Guys, I think the killer wants to kill him. I think he's. Ah, yes, yes. Ah, ah, ah. Holy moly. Finally, I killed him. Die, bitch. Okay, okay. Two more bullets. I shouldn't waste it. Yes. You're dead, bitch. Okay. What if he comes back to life? This is so scary. Okay, I have the key to the basement. Let's do this. This is it. This is it, guys. Finally, I'm gonna go back to my girl and celebrate. Woohoo! Woohoo! I hope it works. Yes! Yes! Guys, I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it, guys. Congratulate me, guys. Yes. Okay, what do you have here? Chapter 2 demo. Okay, let's end this video, guys. So, this chapter 2 is a demo version, so I won't get to play the full game. So, I have to buy it, I guess. Okay, so guys, let's end this video. Thank you, guys. If you like the video, guys, like and subscribe, guys. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.